one thing now with where we are in business and online business is you have to be everywhere. You have to have the blogs, you have to have the shows, you have to be on YouTube, you have to be on interviews, you have to do all of this. And by doing this one program with Ed, he teaches you how to do all that. And there's so much more. There's so many other little things that I can't even think of that he's helped me that has now become part of my DNA that I don't even think about it anymore. The idea of going live, the idea of editing, the idea of how to use my phone or how to do all these different things was just, it was overwhelming and it made me not want to do it. And so that was my big problem, was that it was the technical parts of going live that made me not want to do it. The reason why I wanted to start going live is I knew that that was the marketing trend. It was a way to reach more people quickly and easily. And I was seeing a lot of people who were doing it and not doing it very well. And that's why I wanted to have some more confidence when I did decide to go live. And so working with Ed has been incredibly helpful as far as that goes. And it's made a big difference. One thing that I've learned from just, all the knowledge that I've gained from doing the lives is that now when I hear something that's super interesting and I want to share it with my audience, I know how to do it really quickly. So I don't have to spend a bunch of time taking notes and figuring out my lighting and my camera and where I should do it and all this other stuff. I already know how to do it. It's just easy. And that way, what has happened is now I can concentrate more on my message instead of all the other things. And that's a huge game changer because when you can do that, you come across as much more knowledgeable, authentic, and trustworthy, quite frankly. And that is the big change that I've noticed from when before I was learning how to do lives to now that I have done it so many times and I have the knowledge that I've learned from Ed, it just makes it easy. Well, I was able to produce a whole season of TV shows. So beyond just the live, it was these really cool TV shows that I would have never been able to do without the help of Ed. And he helped me come up with the concept behind them and help me with lighting and just looking more professional and feeling confident so that I could do what I do best, which is the interviewing. That's kind of where I shine. And by not having to worry about the technical part, we were able to produce these amazing shows, reach all kinds of people, and have so much fun in the meantime. The reason why I came to Ed is I knew he'd be able to solve every issue that I had and every concern that I had quickly and very effectively. Whenever I need extra help, Ed's always there. He never ever makes me feel like an idiot. So if I call him and I'm having a problem, and let me tell you, I find all the problems somehow, I just do. I can call him and he will drop whatever he's doing and help me at that time just to get through. And usually it's something really quick that would have taken me hours to figure out and a lot of headaches to figure out. And having so many businesses, I've learned when you find someone who is very knowledgeable and good at what they do and they follow through and you can rely on them, those are the people that you want to have on your side. They're going to make your life easier. They're going to make your business more successful. And that's exactly why I keep working with Ed. I'm Midori Verity, and I'm a mindset coach. And what I do is I help people who are mentally stuck somewhere in their business. And I help them replace those limiting beliefs and the negative self talk so that they can persevere and start achieving amazing goals again. So, one thing with what I love about doing the lives is that this is one thing that we can do. It doesn't have to take a long time, but you can use it for so many different elements. If you are in business and you want to grow and you're overwhelmed, especially with the marketing, which can get really time consuming and very, very expensive, this is one thing that you can do that will make it so much easier for you. And you want to go live. And if you don't know why you need to go live, you need to talk to Ed as well, because he will take this one little thing that you do and he will show you how to blast it all over the place. I was truly blown away by the things that he taught me on how to use Instagram from doing one little show, and all these other little tips and tricks that really take time, that take away using up so much of your time so that you can get your marketing done with one little video.